Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we will talk about who is information security for and how information security is used by different entities. So first of all, let's look at a personal level. Now, a person who uses the internet would have social media accounts, let's say on Facebook, on LinkedIn, and those social media passwords need to be handled in a safe manner. The passwords need to be strong, and the password would not be shared, ideally, with anybody, so that there is no hacking attempt. Now, at the personal level, an individual would also have an online banking account and email account passwords. And the email accounts may be multiple, the online banking accounts may be multiple. So the user would sit on the internet, would open the bank internet portal for online banking, and would enter the credentials for login and password. Similarly, the home PC laptop needs security at a personal level, at an individual's level. And you need to have an antivirus, and you need to have original Windows, for example, and not pirated Windows or the pirated operating system. And then at an individual level, there is a mobile, and we need to have mobile security as well. Now, as far as the aspects of these security is concerned, we will look at them later. Now, apart from the personal level, there is also security addressed at the organizational level. At the organizational level, there is a board which runs the entire organization, and the executive leadership or the management, which has to demonstrate management commitment and has to enforce information security in the organization. At an organizational level, there is a chief information security officer who is designated to lead the information security program. And then there is IT staff and business users who need to follow the information security policies and procedures. Now, apart from the personal or individual level and the organizational level, there is also the aspect of government and national environment. Now, when we talk about the government and the national environment, there is various aspects of information security which have to be addressed here. For example, law enforcement. Now, in Pakistan, we have the NR3C, the National Cyber Response Center for Cybercrimes, and that investigates cases of cybersecurity violation. Whenever there is a cybersecurity incident, they investigate that. There is legal and policy making. So we now have, in August of 2016, the National Assembly passed a cybersecurity bill. Also, there is a national database. And that national database, for example, NADRA, has the entire database of the citizens of Pakistan, including their scenic, their national ID card numbers. There is regulation at the government and at the national level. And there are regulators for the financial industry, for the telecom industry, and for all other industries. There is standards and certifications which need to be addressed at the national level, and then there is capacity building and coordination. So all of these activities have to be conducted while talking about or while addressing information security at the government or the national level. While we talk about who is information security for, let's also look at a report issued by the United Nations ITU organization, which was developed for 175 countries, which is called the Global Cybersecurity Index and Cyber Wellness Profiles. Now, you can go to the internet and you can search the cyber wellness profile of any country out of these 175 member countries of the United Nations. And it covers 5 aspects: legal, technical, organizational, capacity building, and cooperation. And the last time this report was generated was in 2015. Unfortunately, as you can see the heat map on the screen, Pakistan was rated in the lowest area for cyber wellness profile, meaning that Pakistan had among the lowest cybersecurity posture in the world. And while we are talking about who is information security for, in this cyber wellness profile report, for Asia, various countries, as you can see on the screen, were compared with regards to their information security posture, and Pakistan again did not do very well when it came to legal, technical, organizational, capacity building, cooperation, and the general index for cybersecurity. While we discuss who is information security for, it is important to understand that as a result of the report that we just saw, Pakistan was ranked almost at the bottom of the table in the international ranking by ITU. Who is information security for? Information security is for everyone, and it is everyone's responsibility. Irrespective if you are operating at a personal level and using your Facebook account or your LinkedIn account or your online banking account, you're working at an organizational level where you are trying to direct the information security program through the management or the board, or you are heading the information security program as a CISO, a Chief Information Security Officer, or a head of IT security, or you are an IT user who needs to follow the policies and procedures. And you also may be in the government and working towards improving the cybersecurity posture of the entire nation with regards to the national database or with regards to the legal or the compliance matters or the certification or the standards or the law enforcement. Irrespective, wherever you are, information security has to be addressed by all of us. And because Pakistan has a lot of improvement to make in the cybersecurity posture, we have formed Pakistan Cybersecurity Association, of which I am also the chairman, and we have done that in 2017 May, and this has been formed to address Pakistan's international ranking and to drastically improve Pakistan's international ranking.